So you heard Paramveer Singh clearly said that he will join the investigation. He has come to Mumbai to join the investigation. He has faith in judiciary and he expects that he will get justice from the Supreme Court. Please understand, he has demanded that the case should be transferred to the CBI. It is clearly that the Maharashtra government is going to fight tooth and nail that the cases should not be transferred to CBI. The Maharashtra government has taken back their permission that the CBI can investigate in Maharashtra without taking permission from the Maharashtra government unless and until the court has ordered CBI to do that particular investigation. So that is going to be really interesting. But first, let's try and understand that which is the case that Paramveer Singh had joined the investigation today, because he chose to come to Mumbai's Crime Branch Unit 11. Unit 11 is investigating the case against Paramveer Singh. The case has been registered, was actually registered in Mumbai's Goregaon police station. He chose to appear in this case. Why? Let's try and understand. I'm joined with me, my colleague Saurabh Bhaktania, who was tracking that particular story when the case was registered. Saurabh, there is a order of proclaimed offender against Paramveer Singh, and he chose to join this particular unit. Unit 11 is investigating Goregaon police station's case. What is the case against him, and who else are the other accused in this case?
Well, Sahil, this is the case which was registered against Paramveer Singh, Sachin Waze, Riaz Bhati and two others who are civil people. The case was registered for under section in the sections of IPC extortion case. So what had happened over here is the particular complainant in this case, Bimal Agarwal, he is an hotelier and also a civic contractor. Now what Sachin Waze had promised him, that once Paramveer Singh comes to Mumbai, he was earlier posted in Thane, after which he got a police commissioner of Mumbai.
He became the Director General of Anti-Corruption Bureau before becoming the Mumbai Police Commissioner.
Yes, and later he came to as a Mumbai Police Commissioner. But that time, what Sachin Waze promised him, that once he's Commissioner of Mumbai Police, then I will assure you that you put up hotel business in the Goregaon area and you will get free hand over here. But once he was posted over here, Sachin Waze started to extort money from Bimal Agarwal. Over 11,92,000 rupees were particularly extorted from Bimal Agarwal, and that particular FIR was registered at Goregaon police station. Now remember, in this particular case itself, Sahil, second non-bailable warrant was issued against Paramveer Singh. This was the second non-bailable warrant. First was issued by the Thane court, and after which recently, let me tell you, on Tuesday, an offender order was issued by the court. The notices were pasted outside Paramveer Singh's residence. So this will be very important to see, because now Paramveer Singh has joined the investigation. Remember, Sahil, it was from the first week of May, Paramveer Singh was not seen. He went on medical leave, and after which, this is the first time that is on India Today we are seeing the exclusive visual and interview of Paramveer Singh. Right now, he's at the Crime Branch office. Let me tell you, DCP of Crime Branch, Niluptal, is also over here. He's going to take down the statement of Paramveer Singh, and let me tell you, it is going to take some time, because he's the second accused, the number 2 accused in this particular case. First is Sachin Waze. So it will be also important to see whether the cops also call in Sachin Waze and the confrontation happened. But before that, Paramveer Singh is likely to move to court also to cancel the offender, because the court is saying that he's an absconder. But what Paramveer is saying, that there was a threat to his life, and therefore once he got protection from the Supreme Court of India, he's right now here. He never fled the country. He was in India itself, and now he has joined the investigation. He's going to cooperate in the investigation and answer all the questions which the Mumbai police raised to him.
Right. It's really interesting, as Saurabh was telling, that in this case, there is another accused called Riaz Bhati. Now, if you remember, Riaz Bhati's name had come forward in Nawab Malik's press conference. Nawab Malik had claimed that Riaz Bhati is a guy who is supposed to be close to Dawood Ibrahim gang, was seen with the BJP leaders. The BJP leaders, in response, had taken another press conference and released the photographs of Riaz Bhati along with the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi leaders, including the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, Uddhav Thackeray and various other leaders. This case is really getting interesting. Riaz Bhati is another absconder in this particular case. The Mumbai police had said that they are unable to find Riaz Bhati as well. One absconder has now come and joined the investigation. We'll have to see that whether Riaz Bhati also comes and joins the investigation or not.